Hey, this will be a video chart on ticker symbol VRNG. We will take a look at the daily time frame. Done this one a few times, can't remember when the last time I did it, but it has been a while. But I got a message today on it, actually a few messages saying, hey, check this thing out, I think we got a squeeze or something going on. And I don't know what's going on with it. All I know that's going on with it is there's big price reaction that was being pushed up by big volume. So it very well could be some shorts that are covering, or maybe it's just somebody coming in and buying. I don't know. I don't really care, to be honest with you. All that really matters as far as charts are concerned is what is the price doing, and is there any volume to support it. And the price is shooting straight up, and there's plenty of volume to support it. So all in all, a good day. Now it's just a matter of, is this just a one-day wonder? Is this just a one-day move, or is there more to it? And the good news is with the charts, we'll be able to figure that out mainly by monitoring support levels and seeing how the price reacts on any sort of pullback or anything like that. It's easy to see if it's a continued thing of strength, if the price just keeps on shooting straight up. But that could also just be purely momentum, and there might not be any true strength behind it. So true strength really comes when you see pullbacks. That's when it really kind of shows itself, because true strength by no means is just a chart shooting straight up. That could just simply be momentum. So let's figure out where these levels of support are that will help kind of guide us in regards to, is this just a one-day thing, or is there going to be more to it? So the first level, and this is actually a key level because it's been a long time since the price has been above this purple line, which is the 50-day simple moving average. So this now becomes a level of support, and that is at 308. So 308, well, I'm not going to call it a must hold because the price could still fall down and there's still be other support levels below it. This would definitely be the ideal support level, meaning ideally this would be the level that I'd like to see hold right there at 308. The next level of support comes, and I'm just going to kind of eyeball this one. Bring that down right there, we'll make it. And I'll call this right at 304. Now, if you look back through the history of the chart, you can see that acted as support a bunch of times, and then when the price fell below it right here, acted as resistance. So a great example there of a support turning into resistance, and that's not very far below that 50 period. So this will be, though, nonetheless another level of support. So maybe to make things easier, there's hopefully a nice solid support zone between 30. What did I say that was? 305. Or I said something different. 304 and 308. So we'll call this a little kind of 4-cent support zone. After that, then you do have your 10-day and 20-day simple moving averages down there at 290 and 294. But those will be changing with time. So another level that's static, meaning it doesn't change with time, is I'm just going to call it down here at 285. That'll be another important level of support that you'll want to keep your eyes on. I'll make that line a little bit thicker because it's certainly more important than these other levels of support. And the reason for that is, even if the price were to come down there, find support, and then head back up, this set of lows would still be higher than this. And that's how uptrends are born and begun. You just got to put in a higher low. So that's why the price could technically still drop all the way down there, and as long as it would hold and then bounce back up, we would still have that higher low. Now, in terms of resistance levels, again, this is kind of an eyeball job here, but you have a bunch of times where the price came up there, and you can see there, bounced right off. What level is that? That's 327. So you can see 327 there, knocked it down a few times there, though not exact, but there was an exact, there was an exact, there was an exact. You get the point. So, and what was today's high? 327. So 327 actually, these levels over here did a great job of forecasting this level of resistance. So 327 is definitely kind of public enemy number one in terms of resistances, and then after that, nothing until up there at 343, which is the 200-day simple moving average. So those are going to be your two key levels of resistance, but definitely that 327 level is going to be the one you want to get through first and foremost. So if there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out our newsletter up there. When you sign up, as you'll see, you'll get a free ebook. And if you enjoyed the video and want to learn more about charting and how to use it in your strategy as a trader and make an investment into your education as a trader, I'd encourage you to check out our video course down there. Over 8.5 hours of teaching and education. Been getting great third-party reviews. So I'd encourage you to check it out and give it a try. One more time, this is VRNG. Thanks for listening.